Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla. You can watch, decide, and ride. Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the new SIDI Duna Special boot available at RevZilla.com. This is the SIDI Duna Special. Specialmente. I will tell you that it is a boot that we have seen before, but this is new for the fall of 18. They've made one significant change. We've ditched the laces, and now the SIDI Duna Special has a micrometric ratchet. So you're going to do away with laces, and you're going to get this coated steel monofilament that allows you to quickly and easily lace down the boot or open it up and pull it open. So very simple, keeps any laces out of the way. They're low profile, they don't have to be covered. And ultimately, that's the big change. We saw the Duna come out in the last couple of years. There's a Duna regular, and there's a Duna Gore-Tex for more all-season riding. Now I'll tell you, the Duna Special really ties in with the original Duna. I consider it two-season, hot weather, sport. It's gonna work great for most of the late spring into the summer, early fall, really the warmer to hotter weather. Cordura mesh is going to create great airflow, and then you have this synthetic suede really working its way through the boot, creating that high performance upper. Now, if we look at the bottom of the boot here, ultimately, it's a similar sports style sole than we saw in the previous Duna with a slight redesign, and it is a stiffer sole than you're expecting. That's actually one of the things that jumped out at me, which is the fact that if you're wearing it all day and you're off the bike, it's going to feel a bit more rigid than a more comfortable riding sneaker. This is closer to a boot than a sneaker if you're really looking at it and saying, is it a riding shoe? It's beefier than that. Now, quick note on sizing, 7.5 through 13. Decent for the American foot, average width, no issues there. If you're in between sizes, go to the lower size. Now, diving in on the Duna Special in a little bit more depth, notice great reflective coverage up here in this pull across the high ankle. You do have a pop of reflective at the top of this Cordura mesh, reinforced shift panel, and again, another big swath of Cordura mesh on the inside or the medial side. Again, great airflow. That's how your foot's going to breathe and stay cool. You also have a pop of reflective above this nice heel counter here in the back, giving you a little bit more of a wrap of protection and ultimately a better chance to be seen at night. From there, it's pretty simple. It's a short riding shoe that really performs like a boot, and the special version of the original SIDI Duna does not carry a Gore-Tex waterproofing, but what it does do, it adds this micrometric. And if I had to nitpick, my real only gripe about this boot is the fact that if I pull this back, if it's loose, you're gonna see in the backside of the ratchet is going to be exposed. It's gonna get dirty, it could get gunky over time. You might have to be careful and clean that of debris. It would have been very simple for them in a low profile fashion to just seal that off. That would have been a nice improvement or just an incremental addition to add to the longevity of the boot. Next step in your journey is click the info button, your desktop, your mobile device. Visit the product detail page at RevZilla.com. Read other rider reviews. You shouldn't just take my word for it. If you want to talk to a gear geek, see us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. Thanks for watching your detailed breakdown. Remember, subscribe to us at RevZilla on our YouTube channel. Stay up to date with our opinion of the latest and greatest in the motor universe. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.